looking at this, you can see a circle. So you start from here, okay, with diameter 50 and then radius of 36. So let's start from here, diameter 50, radius 36. So you open your AutoCAD, you take your circle command, now click anywhere. Now we have diameter, so select D, diameter of 50, zoom out, then circle again, radius of 36. Good. So now I would like to do something here. I would like to create a layer and put all my center lines on it. So just go to new layer, okay. I'll choose for the line, I'll select, go to load, then choose center. See center line, this one, okay. Now select it, okay, and then change the color if you want. I would like to change my color to yellow. All right, so whenever I'm drawing a center line, I'll just pick it. Now let's close it. All right, so you can see we have another slot here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll draw, it's having a radius of 9. I'm going to draw this circle from the center here. The distance is 48 with radius 9. Okay, so I'll pick circle, then I'll bring my mouse here, I'll not click, then I'll bring it down, then I'll enter 48 as the distance. Okay, the radius is 9, so I'll just press 9 and then I'll have it. Good. Now there's another distance, so I'll just copy this one, select it, go to copy, click anywhere, bring it down 44, you press enter. That's the distance. Now you press escape to exit. Now join it with your line to get a slot, join the quadrant, then select line again. Good. Now after that, you have to trim the unwanted line, so you can use the trim command here, trim, and clear it all. All right, so we have this one. Now there is another circle down here, 2 circles down here. The distance is 72 and it's having, see, it's not in line with this, it's here, it's at the left side 5 mm away from the center line, and then the radius is 24 and 26. So what I'm going to do is I'll draw one. So let's see, select circle, come to the center. Now move to the left side, don't click. See, the distance is 15, so move to the left side, enter 15, okay, and then the radius for the circle is 24, so enter 24, you press enter. Then the next one is 26 diameter, so circle, center, diameter, which is 26, you press enter. Good. Now select it, okay, and move it. You are going to move it down with this distance 72, so click anywhere, come down, make sure it's straight, 72, and you press enter. Good. Now you see we are done. So let's add this line. It's a tangent line touching this and this. So select your line command, press and hold shift key, and then right click, you select tangent. Okay, now leave your shift key, click this circle, press and hold the shift key again, right click, select tangent, leave your shift key, and then click this circle. Good. Now we are having this thing done, so we are done with this part. Let's come to this place. Now looking at this side, you can see we are having a center line here. So let me draw this, my center lines. let me just draw some center line here. So I'll change my layer to center line, select the line command, click here, okay. So I did this. Okay, now you can see there's an angle here, 30 and 30. There are two angles here, 30 30. So we are going to draw these center lines as well with the angles. So what I'm going to do is I'll select a line and then click the center of this circle. Now remember, AutoCAD read angle from it read the angle anti-clockwise from this side, go in this direction. So every angle here is 0, here is 90, here is 180, then you come back to this place. So now this is 0, now here is 90. Okay, so if you want any angles here, you have to add a 90 together with that angle. Is that right? So now we are having two angles here, 30 30, 30 here, 30. So meaning from this side to this side, angle on a straight line here is 180. So I'm going to add 30 to 180 and another 30 to the angle I'll get here. Is that right? So when I add the 180 to, when I add 30 to the 180, I'm going to get 210. So let's draw an angle of 210. Line, press shift key, enter your less than sign, then enter 210. Okay, now you get your angle formed. Just click anywhere. Now click line again, click this side. Now shift less than sign. Now when you add 30 to the 210 again, you're going to get 240. So add 240, you see, and click anywhere. Now if you like, you can measure to see the angle formed here. You can see it's 30, you can see 30. Good. The same thing with this one, you can see it's also 30. So that is how the angles are being drawn. Good. Let's continue. So now this radius here, this is going to be our center line. This is going to be our center line with radius 64. So I'll draw a circle with radius of 64. Good. So this is now our center line. Okay, now this circle, we have a circle here with a radius of 20. So let's do that, and then this inner one too is 8. So circle. Now let's change the layer first. Circle, radius 28, if I'm right, is 20, sorry. Radius of 20, and then we have the inner one of radius 8. Good. So that is it. So the same thing, I'm going to copy the circle and bring it here. I'm going to copy this circle. So let me copy these circles. You can use the copy command here, click the center and bring it to this side. Is that right? Now we are going to draw this is a tangent line to these circles. So what we can do, pick the circle command, come to the center and then draw a circle to touch this one. Okay, do it again, touch this side, do it again to touch the end point, then do it again for the last time. Good. Now you can trim all the unwanted lines which you don't need. So the lines are too many. Looking at it, we don't need a lot, so this one will go away, this one will also go away, we don't need them. This one, this one, this this one as well. And delete this one. Let me see. Yeah, okay, let's leave this one for now and delete this one. Okay, so you can see lines are too many. So now this side, before we delete, let's even trim this one as well, so that it will be easy for us to work. Trim them all. We don't need this one, so okay, this one's, and even the center of this. Delete them all, you don't need them. This one, this side, zoom out, select them all. And then this, you don't need this one, so okay, good. Now this is what we want. So now there's another arc here to radius 12. So for that one, you can just use the tan radius. So click this one, enter a radius of 12, trim, good, and you have that one. Trim this side as well, good. Now let's come to the down part here. When you come to the down part here, you can see there is a radius of 19 over here. So this circle is going to help us to draw these two arcs, this one and this one. So let's draw a circle of radius 19 from this center. So select circle, radius, locate the center, and a radius of 19. Okay, good. Now this is tangent, the tangent is 20, here it is 20. So select circle, tan radius, select this circle, enter 20. Okay, you can trim from here, good. Now remaining the last one, which is this side, also 20. So the same thing, tan radius, click this side, radius of 20. Okay, now let's trim the unwanted line. So CR for trim. I like using the shortcuts more than using the commands because they are easy. Okay, so I think this is what is expected of us. Now this sound to go, trim this one as well, good. Now our work is neatly done. Now if you think these ones will disturb, you can delete them all. If you like, you can, but because of the angles we are going to give, I'll leave these ones there. Okay, let me clear this one. Alright, so let me leave it like this, and I think, yeah, we have to trim one more side here, good. Now I want to increase the line width so that it will be visible. Okay, let me change this line width 0.15. okay, so that it will be clear. Now this is what was expected of us, and it's neatly done. Let's try and dimension the work accordingly. So for that one too, I'll create a new layer for it. So go to new layer, give it a name. You can change the color, I'll change it to green, and then okay. Now I don't want to put it on the same layer, if not the line will become thicker, so I would like to choose 0.25. okay, then close. Let me make it active, and then let's try and dimension it. So I'll start by dimensioning my angles, this angle, this one, we have an angle of 30 here. Press enter to activate it once more. They are too small. It will make it a little bit bigger by going to manage dimension style, modify text and arrow, make it like 4. Go to text, also make it 4. Okay, let's close it. See, it's a little bit clear. If it's not too clear, you can make it 5 and make it how you want it. I want to make my own a little bit bigger, so let me make it 5. Make the text also 5. Good. Now you see it's a little bit clear. Now let's go to the radius. We have this radius. Radius 12. Radius again 20. This is 20. Now this is 36. So you see, now this one is diameter, so you select the diameter 50. Good. Then radius again 9 for this. Now let's come here. Radius this side is 20. This side is 19. This side again is 20. Okay, and where again, I think that's all for the radius. Now the down there, let's deal with this one, 24, and then the diameter is 26. Good. Now let's go to the linear aspect. The linear aspect we have from the center is 44, and also from here to here 48. So and then we have this one, okay, from here to here. So pick from this side, so linear, you pick from this center to this center, sorry, pick from this center to this center, which is 72. You can drag this one back a little bit to be in line with this one. Okay, so this is what is expected of us. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video for more projects and tutorials like this in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.